today's trading idea, we have three. The first one will be WCT. So one of the reason why we highlight WCT because one, it is our recent buy, technical buy on 5th July, whereas the stock has gained about 33.5% to peak at 56 cent, above our second target of 52 cent. What makes interesting is, however, the stock the recent decline was pretty much kept within the 50-day moving average over here, keeping the long-term trend still pretty much upward. So the series of high-low structure was pretty much intact. The trend remained, I will say, consistently trading over 50-day moving average. Trading volume still pretty much higher, indicating the overall momentum still, demand still pretty much there. Now, despite some sort of what we call that bearish divergence over here, the recent pullback, I think has nullified the bearish divergence signal as we see a new high-low structure. So yesterday again, on a back of breakout above 20-day moving average again, and a spike of RSI above the 50-point mark, suggesting the overall momentum remain elevated. So because of that, we think there's a decent chance for the stock to continue charging higher, as we reiterate our buy with the next target is actually pegged at 56 cent and 61 cent, while the support or cut loss level has been revised higher to 47.5 cent. Then we have a ECA integrated solution. So the newly listed stock since December, I think we have enough trading data to make what we call that a reading for the stock. Now on the ECA, the stock has break the recent downtrend channel, which if you can see here, the downtrend channel since July has ended. We have seen a new breakout move as per yesterday on the back of slightly higher trading volume. Yep, trading volume little bit on the high side, and still consider a higher trading volume, and the stock also break above the 20-day moving average. Now, while listing could be quite early, we like it because the stock has been consistently rejecting decline beyond or below 61.8 Fibonacci level. So because of that, we think the new baseline here is quite supportive. So a breakout yesterday could kickstart a new upcycle on the back of breakout in RSI, as well a positive reading in MACD. So we're expecting the stock to trade higher as we put our technical target at 89.5 cent and 97.5 cent, while the cut loss level will be below 77 cent. Last but not least will be at sell holding. So we highlight the stock which actually staged a breakout move, which is something a bit rare that we highlight. But the reason why we like it because one, you are seeing a notable change in terms of overall trend structure, whereas the stock has created a new high-low structure since the solid breakout move on 24 July. Now, the pullback or the subsequent corrective move was pretty much kept within the 200-day moving average, reiterating that the overall bias remain upward. So as the stock continue to build a new high-low structure along the 50-day moving average, you are seeing a solid breakout move on the RSI as well, on a better positive reading of what we call that in MACD. So spike of trading volume recently signal there's a fresh higher high structure, which could kickstart or prolonging the ongoing uptrend toward the next technical target. So we put our target based on Fibonacci extension level, with immediate resistance at 93 cent, and the next resistance is at 105 cent, while the cut loss or support cut loss level will be below 83 cent.